Hello dear students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. This is the next module of chapter number 12 of history, in which we are discussing about the rise of Indian nationalism. So let's begin the module with the partition of Bengal, which was announced by Lord Curzon. So there was partition of Bengal into West Bengal and East Bengal, which was announced on 7th July 1905 by Viceroy Curzon. It was implemented on 16th October 1905. The new province of East Bengal and Assam included the whole of Assam and the Dhaka, Rajshahi and Chittagong division, with headquarters at Dhaka. The reason given behind this partition was that the Bengal it was too large to administer. But the real reason behind the partition of Bengal was to create a gulf in between of Hindus and Muslims. So the British they tried to curb the nationalist sentiments of the people due to this partition. The partition of Bengal was widely criticized by all sections of people. The moderates as well as the extremists condemned the partition. Large-scale public demonstrations were held against the government. The radicals popularized Swadeshi production, used the purchase of Indian products and boycotted everything that was foreign. Huge bonfires were used to burn foreign cloth and the articles. This helped the Indian industries, especially the handicraft and the textile industry, to revive back. The song Vande Mataram became the national song of the Swadeshi movement. Rabindranath Tagore, he called it the Raksha Bandhan Day. People of all communities, they tied Rakhi on each other's hand to express their unity and solidarity. People, they were asked to use the Indian made products and to boycott the foreign product. Everything which was made in Britain. The students they supported the Swadeshi movement by boycotting their classes. They held demonstration on streets. They encouraged people to boycott foreign goods. A National Council of Education was set up to organize a system of education on national lines. So a remarkable feature of the movement was the participation of women on a large scale. The Swadeshi movement also marked the beginning of organized movements in India. The British had succeeded in dividing the Hindus and the Muslims by the partition of Bengal. The Muslim leaders now felt a need for a political organization that worked in the interest of the Muslims. Consequently, the All India Muslim League was founded on 30th December 1906 by Aga Khan, Nawab Moisin Mulk and Nawab of Decca. In its Amritsar session, the Muslim League demanded a separate electorate for the Muslims. The demand was fulfilled by the government in the form of the Minto-Morley reforms of 1909. From then onwards, some seats in the councils were reserved for the Muslims who would be elected by the Muslim voters. But it proved a fatal blow to unity of India. The difference between the moderates and the extremists grew wider with time. This resulted in a conflict between the two groups in the Surat session of the Congress in 1907. The moderates were opposed to the extremist method of boycott as it involved the use of force. Causes of the rise of militant nationalism. The militant or revolutionary nationalism was a movement of the young leaders who wanted to overthrow the British rule by the use of force and violence. It mainly took place in Bengal, Punjab and Maharashtra. Secret societies they were formed by these militant activists to train their members. The two most prominent societies were Abhinav Bharat Society and Anushilan Samiti of Bengal. The Chapekar brothers Damodar and Balakrishna made an attempt to murder Mr. Rand, the president of the Plague Committee at Pune in 1897. The attempt failed and Lieutenant Arrest was shot accidentally. V.D. Savarkar set up an association called Mitra Mela that merged with the Abhinav Bharat in 1904. Savarkar, he was arrested and deported to India. In 1909, Madan Lal Dhingra shot dead Colonel William Curzon Whaley in London. Madan Lal, he was hanged by the British. In 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chandra Chaki, they made an attempt which was unsuccessful to murder Mr. King Ford, the judge of Muzaffarpur. Both Chaki and Bose were arrested. Lala Hardayal, he formed the Gadar Party in 1913 at San Francisco, USA. He was assisted by Ramchandra and Barkatullah. The party published a weekly newspaper called Gadar. Revolutionary centers were also formed by Madame Kama and Ajit Singh in Europe. So dear student, this was all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.